My name is Kulvinder Singh. I am working in Wipro and I have 2 years of experience. So my friend had taken CCNA from here and he recommended me this I-Medita. So I searched other institutes as well, but I found that I-Medita is much better than others. So as here we have 24/7 labs available, and also infrastructure is also good. We have all the classes are AC. So, and all the trainers are also has CCI and CCNP. And more things like you can come here anytime, whether you are working. You can come here in weekend classes or on in night shifts also. If you are not comfortable to come in day timings, you can come here in night shifts. You can uh, all the trainers will be available anytime. Even if you call them, they'll help you in all the issues that you are facing. So it was a good learning experience here. Thank you.